This video is about my skincare routine. It is simple. It is calm. It is not perfect. I do not use many products. I do not rush. I take my time. Skincare is not only about skin. It is also about feeling calm. It is about slowing down. It is about taking care of yourself. Every day, my skin changes. Some days are good. Some days are not. That is okay. This routine helps me feel clean. It helps me feel relaxed. It helps me feel ready for the day. I will share what I do, morning and night, slowly and clearly. I believe skincare should be simple. Too many products can confuse the skin. Simple steps are easier to follow. I listen to my skin. If my skin feels dry, I add moisture. If my skin feels tired, I slow down. I do not compare my skin to others. Everyone is different. Everyone's skin is different. Good skin is not about being perfect. Good skin is about being healthy and feeling comfortable. I start my day in the bathroom. The light is soft. The room is quiet. I look at my face in the mirror. I do not judge it. I just noticed it. Washing my face. I wash my face with warm water, not hot, not cold. Warm water feels gentle. It wakes me up slowly. I use a mild cleanser. It does not have a strong smell. It does not make my skin feel tight. I move my hands gently. I do not scrub hard. I am kind to my skin. I rinse my face carefully. I make sure there is no cleanser left. I dry my face with a clean towel. I pat, not rub. My skin feels fresh. Moisturizing. After washing, my skin feels clean, but it also needs moisture. I use a light moisturizer, just a small amount. I warm it between my fingers. Then I press it gently onto my face. I move slowly, my cheeks, my forehead, my chin. This moment feels calm. I breathe slowly. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important, even when it is cloudy. Even when I stay inside, the sun can damage the skin. Slowly, without us noticing, I apply sunscreen carefully. I cover my whole face. I do not forget my neck. This step protects my skin. It helps prevent damage. It helps keep my skin healthy. Now my morning skincare is done. Skincare is not only physical, it is emotional too. When I take care of my skin, I feel more confident. I feel more relaxed. It is a small habit, but it makes a big difference. It reminds me to slow down, to breathe, to take care of myself. Skincare does not stop in the bathroom. What I do during the day also matters. Drinking. Water. I drink water throughout the day. Water helps my skin stay fresh. I keep a bottle near me. I take small sips often. My skin feels better when my body is hydrated. Touching my face less. I try not to touch my face too much. Hands carry dirt and oil. When I touch my face less, my skin feels calmer. Staying calm. Stress affects the skin. When I feel stressed, my skin shows it. I try to stay calm. I breathe deeply. I take breaks. Calm skin starts from a calm mind. At night, my skincare routine is slower. The day is over. My body is tired. This is my time to relax. Cleansing at night. At night, I clean my face again. The day leaves dirt and oil on the skin. I use the same gentle cleanser. I massage slowly. This removes makeup, dirt, and stress from the day. I rinse well. I pat my face dry. Night cream. At night, my skin rests. This is the best time to care for it. I use a richer cream at night. It feels comforting. I massage it gently. Small circles. Slow movements. This step feels peaceful. It helps me relax before bed. Final moment. After skincare, I look at myself in the mirror. I smile gently. I am done for the day. I feel clean. I feel calm. I feel ready to sleep.